Alright, here's just a little video on how I got the passenger ambient lighting up. My car, since it did not come with it, I can't find a bracket, or at least holes that they have to hold it. I looked at a little schematic, and I can't seem to find where this actually is supposed to mount. So I got it just held over there with zip ties at the moment until I can find the actual bracket for it. But what I did here, I made a ground off of the body of the car. I just found a bolt over there on the firewall and just put it right there for the ground. Then I ran the wires on top of the knee airbag. Then I ran it through this kind of underneath the center console. I just kept running it through here. Right now, I know this is not the professional way. I just have it just like that, just right now, to make sure everything's working. Then I will have heat shrink on it and crimpers. Right now I just have wire ties just to test it out.